So hello guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, so in this video we'll be looking at Monday, sorry, Monday, oh sorry, this is weekly, okay. Monday 20th October 2025, okay. So what you're seeing here is a weekly chart. You can see that in the previous week we have this opening gap, like, sorry, not there. We have this weekly premium week, and downside also we have a good premium weekly week, okay. So you're trading inside that range now. So now we have this fair value gap, daily fair value gap up there, and Friday's premium week up there. Yesterday, we didn't take out both the high and low of the Friday, and I think the weekly week hasn't yet created. The weekly week, I think it's gonna go to this fair value gap, then take out this buy sides. Okay, I think that's gonna happen on this week. So let's see after it take out this lows and come to this fair value gap. Okay, so basically, I didn't take any trades or anything like that, but there are one possible trade entry possible. Okay, because there are many liquidity pool up there like that. Okay, so in the hourly chart, you can see that the buy side here from here relative equal highs up there. Here relative equal highs up there. And a buy side. Have a high, intermediate and high, a lower high, right? So structure shift to the downside. Mm. And our aim is, I think, somewhere over here, okay. Under this one, I think. So our sell side is up there, okay. I have marked some no drawings. That's the reason I am just hiding it, okay, hiding my drawings. Okay. Now again, you had this fair value gap yesterday, hourly fair value gap. This week pierced through that, trying to go to take out this buy sides up there, but failed. Closed inside this fair value gap. You will see everything in a minute. Okay, so again it broke lower. Fair value gap up there. You can see that reaction from there. Again a little bit higher. Now I will show you the details. Okay, somewhat complicated. That's the reason I hide it. So you can see this pink line represents this weekly, previous week that we are trading in. Okay, so on a daily also, I have this green line that represent the premium discount week of this candle, that is Friday's candle. Okay, so and same down here. Okay, this green candle represent the premium week of this candle, Friday's discount candle and Friday's premium candle. Okay, premium week. Sorry, both are weeks. Okay, now you can see that our aim is to go to this fair value gap, try to close above this 0.5 or 0.25 level. Okay, okay, hourly chart. You can see yesterday markets opened somewhere over here. Midnight opened there. Before opening, try to go to the 0.25 level of the premium daily week. Okay, 0.25 and take out this buy side, but and didn't take out that buy side. Okay, no problem. And it starts to go lower. So it created a fair value gap up there. And this is the weekly opening gap. Okay, so we closed here on Friday and we opened there on Monday. Okay, so that's the gap between the premiums. Okay, so no problem. Now you can see when coming to New York section, what all we had is oh that was 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock morning. Way down, went down, creating this fair value gap. I have annotated this levels of 0.25 and 0.75 to there. Okay. Yeah. This here the quadrants of this hourly fair value gap. Don't get confused. Okay. So again, that's our London was taken out there. I'm going to say by 15 minutes up. You had this 15-minute fair value gap up there. But else you have all these weekly opening gaps up there. You can see how it is respecting each and every of the on a 15-minute chart also it haven't break or they closed above this weekly any of the weekly quadrants. Okay, and here also you can see it's kind of respecting it. Okay, now going to that while Lon- while it took out this London low, right? So and failed to reach the 0.75 percentage of this one and went to this 15-minute fair value gap. I was looking for a short time. My bias is a short time buy side. Okay, to the buy side. Okay, so like 25-minute chart, you can see have a high, have a low, have a lower low, and a higher, right? So when market creates such a thing, I was waiting for what is this and what is this thing? That's the suspension block, right? So and I VIP on the top, VIP on the bottom. Okay, so that creates this high, low, lower, low, high. So this order candle can be considered as an order block. Starship block is how I just wanted to have a focus up here also. Okay. This 5 minute gap was earlier a day restriction order for entry drill. Okay. So I will tell you how the things here. Okay. I'm going to in 1 minute chart. This was my I think the trade that I could have taken. Okay, so this one, not this one. Okay, so somewhere from here. I will tell you about that. Okay, I didn't actually saw this one here. Okay, that's the thing. Now what do we have there? We have a high, we have a low, lower low, higher. We have candle closing above that thing also, and market came again to where this 5 minute imbalance, that 5 minute parallel gap, and created a structure shift to the outside. What does it have there? Have this 1 minute suspension block, right? When the went into that immediate reaction, that's a good sign. Next candle comes in, next candle first above. The next candle also closed above. But on the next candle, first above the suspension block, right? So on the next candle, where it coming and or something like that, you can take an entry somewhere here, making your stops there, and make your stops under this one. And for me, that was on 50 minute. I told you, right? Maximum that I could have, I just need a 3 hour plus my shit. Okay. Yeah. Hey, there was something like I told you that no, nothing, nothing. That's the reason I am saying this is yesterday was not a good day to trade. Okay, so this is not the actual trade that I would have taken. Okay. So the market created some random highs there. Uh, we have the buy side now here, right? So 8:30 opened here, rallied. So highest high after 7 o'clock is somewhere here. So that's taken out. This lowest low after 7 o'clock, right? So it went to where? Not to some random level. So it went to weekly opening gap 0.25. Look how candles are causing the structure shift to the downside. Went to the 0 point upper quadrant of this hourly fair value gap. Again broke down. This is nothing, okay. And went all the way. I'm just extending that 1 minute suspension block to this side of it. Went to where? Went to this 5 minute suspension block that I have told you there, right? I have told you about this one, right? This was an important thing that I was looking for. Okay, so to be honest, I didn't take any screenshot or like that, but when I was watching it, I took, yeah, I will tell you. And all the way here, some of the candle closed outside, one, two, three candle closed outside, but this is a 1 minute candles, right? So going, let's see on a 5 minute chart. Okay. So these two candles closed inside this suspension block and specifically saying where did it stop at the 0.75 level, right? So that's a good sign. So and after that, what happened? After that, you had a short time high here, and you got an SMT there, okay? In our SMT, you can say. You have a structure shift to the upside there. This is also a high, right? So, it's got that, but considering this one and this inverse fair value gap, code reverse. When the came, when the price comes back to this 5 minute fair value gap, we can enter. That's right there. Right there, you can enter. Making your stop loss just below this one is also fine, but I would like to put it somewhere around like this. And you can check for any short time high. So you have a small little highs there. But anyway, I only need 2, 3 hours. So this lower quadrant of both this one would be fine for me, right? Even though it doesn't cost anything, that could be fine. There would be some, yeah, that could be fine. If this was a personal day for me to trade, I would have really taken this trade, only this one only. And there is something else. Now, what have we done? We have this high. We have again this short time high up. Uh, a higher high left to that, right? So extending that one went out the way, came back to where this 1 minute suspension block that I have mentioned here, right? Now it's a kind of reclaimed suspension block. Okay, so you can see how the market is perspecting this 1 minute, and you also have this VIP there, right? So just mark that one. Sorry. Most of the candle closed above the equilibrium of this volume balance, right? So I'll make it in. Okay. Now that VIP inside of a suspension block is a good sign to go higher. Okay, so okay, you can see a very closer look to this area. When came up there, you have a short time high here. You have another high there, and took out this short time low. I failed to go down here. Went to that VIP again. Closed above the lower quadrant of that one and structure shift to the upside there, right? So I'm created for this suspension block, okay. And that right, you could enter. Where would you raise your stops? Just yeah, at the midpoint of it because if it is gonna go all the way there, it's gonna surely go and hit your stop loss. Okay. Oh, the maximum target that I can put now is this high. That's the that's okay, guys. You are getting it 3 hours perfectly, right? So no greed. Up to here, I was watching the market. Okay, after it take out this short time, I was watching. So that were the two trades that I would have taken if I was trading yesterday. But yesterday was a watch day, so no problem. And where did it? Hey, it respecting that our quadrant or the opening and closing. The what is it? This 0% means the closing price of Friday, right? So respecting that thing, went down and lower, went down and take the this yesterday 7 o'clock there was not even take out. So yeah, now it is taken out. So yeah, yesterday's low was taken. Then again to that hourly fair value gap, upper quadrant, then starts to lower in the Asian section. Okay, we are not trading Asian trend nowadays, but just saying. Okay. Okay, I think that's all for the video, guys. I hope you had some information about what's going on right. So will have all the levels here until we are out of this trading, out of these areas. Okay. I'm expecting. I told you right. I am expecting. One second. One second. One second. I told you that I am expecting the price to come to this volume band, and this is such a shit that doesn't matter. So I just wanted to come to here, then take out this high circuit. Then could have done today on DXY also the same thing is mm, that that thing that daily value gap is gonna touch and then it should come back again. Euro also I guess that for daily fair value gap we touched it yesterday, okay, no problem, but DXY also didn't touch it. And GBP will touch it today, okay, so then That is fine. This is a good area. Okay, this is a good area to trade. Okay, inside of this we have a good opportunity. Okay, okay guys, I think that's all for the video. I think nothing more, nothing less. Okay, okay. I think see you on the next video, guys. Hope you will see. Okay, bye then.